Good morning. My name is Nani. Welcome back to my channel. As always, don't forget to subscribe. Y'all, it is 10:40 in the morning and I'm recording this video. Because I have to record, I think like 3 or 2 videos today, just so I can have some videos to keep uploading for you guys. Like I said before, I'm trying to get these videos out to y'all consistently. Thank you guys for showing so much love in my latest upload. Thank you so much for all the love and support. If you guys haven't seen in my recent community posts, make sure you guys go check those out. But I've decided at 2K subscribers, I will be doing a cash giveaway. I'm gonna pick one person. It all depends on how long it takes for me to reach that goal. As you can tell by the title, this is gonna basically style my edges. Also guys, don't forget to give this video a like, a comment, and subscribe. Without further ado, we're just going straight into this hair video. All right guys, so as you can see, I did the hairstyle I want to do. Now I'm going to get into laying my edges. I usually do my edges either after the hairstyle or during, depending on which hairstyle it is, if it really matters. If not, then I won't really do it till the end. What I'm gonna do is take my comb and I'm just gonna pull some hairs out from the top of my hair. As you can see, I'm pulling out as many as I want, because usually what some people do is they'll just brush it like this, but I really have thin edges, so I'll pull out a little bit. So now that I got them out, like I said, they're really light, guys. Like my edges are really thin, so you won't see them. They won't get like darker or more like filled in until the end. So now what I'm going to do is get my edge control. So this is the edge control I use. You can use any kind of edge control you want. This one just works really good on my hair. So now that I have my edge control, I use an edge brush like this, which is a tip of it is the brush and then the other tip is a comb. Some people use toothbrushes, some people use regular brushes. It all depends on what is easier for you. So what I'm gonna do now is just take some of my edge control and I take a section, diagonally cut it like this. Now, I usually like one swoop right in the front, but not everybody does. So if you like it this way, you are more than welcome to. If not, you can do it another way. So what I'll do is I have the edge control on the brush. I'm going to just, you might want to move your hair out the way if you have hair down. You're gonna just swipe down, and then you're gonna swoop up. Now I find it easy to use my finger and swoop at the same time because it just holds it down. So I'm just gonna swipe and swoop and then brush the rest up into the hair. Okay, now you're gonna do this a few times with the rest of your hair. Now I did that a couple times because I didn't like the way it looked the first time. Now you can do it as many times until it looks good to you. So I'm going to get a little more edge control, and then I'm going to move on to the next part, which is over here. Like I said, you're going to wipe down and then swoop up, and you can brush it up as many times until you feel like it's slick enough or smooth enough for you. Now you got your next swoop. I'm trying to get it to look really good for you guys, but it's kind of hard. So then you're going to swoop up again. Next, you're going to get a little bit more edge control. You're going to go to the next side, swipe down and swoop up. Burns. Now you're going to get a little bit more edge control, and the edge in some sideburns you can just swipe down like this and swoop over. Like I said, you hold it down and swoop up, and you have that little thing right there. So like you guys can see, you guys have your swoop 1, swoop 2, and then your front swoop 3, and then your sideburn swoop. Now you're gonna do the same thing on this side. I'll do it again. Okay. You're gonna swipe down and then swoop up. Swipe down, swoop. Okay. Like I said, if it's easier for you, hold it down and swoop, because it makes it a lot easier for me. Then you're gonna go in some more edge control. I don't put a lot of edge control on my brush each time. That's why I'm able to go in multiple times. Again, you're gonna swipe down, and you're gonna swoop up. Okay? I'm trying to move my hair out the way so you guys can see. So you're gonna swipe down. Hold on, let me get a bobby pin or something to clip. Okay. Gonna swipe down and swoop up. Okay. Now you're gonna get a little bit more edge control, and then you're gonna do this last swoop. So you're gonna swipe down and swoop up. Okay. Now the last swoop is not too dramatic like the other ones. And then you got the little sideburns. Like I said, this side does not have a lot of sideburns like the other one. But I'm gonna get my little edge control again. Swipe down and swoop just like on my edges, except for I don't have to swoop in anywhere. So as you guys can see, I got my swoop 1, swoop 2, and swoop 3. Swoop 3. Okay, so now you see my edges are all swooped up. Hairstyle is all done. You see the edges, edges, edges. The edges add a little bit more flair to the hairstyle, if that makes sense. That is how you lay your edges. Really, it's not that hard. It's really just a swipe and a swoop. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a like and a comment, and also subscribe while you're here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, it wasn't a long video. It's not really much to it. I just wanted to show you guys how to lay your edges, or at least how I lay my edges, and maybe if you like it, you can try yours at home. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you guys for so much support and all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I thought